Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. It's a Toyota RAV4, and if you want to find out how many passengers this car can fit legally, look when you open your door up and look here, and it's right there. Seating capacity total. Oh, now it's getting blurry. 5. Front, 2 people. Rear, 3 people. And then it doesn't mention the people in the trunk, but that's that. So it's a Toyota RAV4, and here I'll show you. See, it is a Toyota. So that's the seating capacity. You open the door, and it's right there. Tire and loading information. This is how many people can the weight on the axles, the front axle and back axle. See that? The combined weight of occupants and cargo should never exceed an American and another American. So, because here in America, people are pretty big. But anyway, so that's 5 times 825 pound people. That's like 4,000 and for 25, 50, 75, 100. It's like 4,125. So that's a lot of. That sounds right. The math sounds right, but that's a lot of poundage. But anyway, that's about a lot of Eastern people. That's like 30 Eastern people. But anyway, that's how you find out the seating capacity on your Toyota RAV4. So have a great day.